We're currently in Binondo to do like a food crawl. Come with me! Guys, we got matcha, hojicha for her, the mango sticky rice. The matcha is okay. I did a separate review. Go watch that. So when we're trying, bawasan natin yung condensed milk kasi hindi pa nagsisimula yung Binondo food crawl. Hindi parang matay-tay ka dyan. That's good. Sana makuha ko yung mango sa ilalim. Hi guys, we made it to Tasty Dumplings. Ano, gusto ko citrus. Oh, tsaka ito. This is the mango cream coffee. Hindi niya tayo kasi matamis.